For those who have witnessed a wedding objection during the speak now or forever hold your peace portion, what happened? 1. The groom himself. He just stood up there and started crying and, in front of everyone, told the bride that he'd fallen out of love with her a while before but he didn't know how to break it off. It was extremely uncomfortable. They both stepped out, and 10 minutes later came back out and got married. Because she'd apparently told him she was pregnant. They're still together with 3 kids and I'm not sure about the husband, but I can confirm that the wife is having an affair. Neither of them are happy, but she has a comfortable life and he doesn't have the spine to leave. 2. About 5 years ago, a co-worker of mine invited all of us to his wedding. He was a great guy but none of us had ever met his wife. Seen pictures of her and he always said nothing but good things of her. Fast forward to the wedding, it was an incredibly nice one. Looks like they paid quite a bit for it. Everything was going smooth and I was having fun and assumed so was everyone else. Anyway, now they're both at the altar or whatever looking deeply into each other's eyes and smiling. And when that line comes of, speak now or forever hold your peace,